Howdy folks, my name is Greg Hanna, Survey Crew Chief out here in Austin, Texas, and welcome to another episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. We're here at LBJ High School to perform a survey. So your typical survey is going to be locating all the features on site. This may range from the edge of asphalt, the gutter, the curbs, to sidewalks, to the actual building itself. The main purpose of the survey is to make a map that's going to entail everything that is on site. The main reason why we're out here performing this survey anyway is that this whole area, Austin in general, is being modernized, renovated, and updated. My son actually graduated from here probably about 5 years ago, and I remember thinking then that the facilities sure could use some upgrades. You know, everything from the fields to the facilities on the inside are going to be upgraded in this phase. Being able to do this for the future of Austin is something that I'm just ecstatic to be a part of. And not only just ecstatic, like really genuinely, honestly honored, because it's my way of giving back. Well, here at McKim and Creed, they have a multidisciplinary function. We collaborate with SUE, Subsurface Utility Engineering, where they're out here locating utilities. We're also coordinating with aerial mapping that produces a great aerial image, and also some topographic data so that way we can kind of compare. But altogether, we are able to deliver just such a comprehensive package. Not only does this benefit our client, but it also benefits us, where I'm able to learn the subsurface engineering side of things. I'm able to learn a little bit about the aerial photogrammetry that they do, which in turn makes us all a little bit better. The very first thing that we usually do when we come out to these sites is we establish control, and the control is kind of what keeps everything tied into itself, squared into itself on the correct coordinate basis. Pretty much what we design everything else off of. So that way when we start our control loop, everything fits nice and tight, and the same results can be recreated over and over again. So right now we're setting up a robotic total station. So this thing is pretty much what's going to keep track and put out all your information that you need. It's the one that turns angles and shoots the distances in order to facilitate the map making process. We took a couple of shots and we tied in the boundary GPS, and now I'm going back through and reconfirming everything that we shot with the total station, just to make sure that everything that we're doing is exactly where we need it to be. In this case, I'm checking some shots that we did in this asphalt parking area. So we just follow it out. In the world of survey connect the dots, this would be your pencil, this would be your paper, and this is the book in which everything is written. All the information is stored. Thanks again for tuning in for another episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. We'll see you again next time.